In today's video, I'm going to show you the safest and legal way to play Forza Horizon 6 for free using Game Pass Ultimate. Now, just to be clear, this is the legitimate method that gives you access to the game through Microsoft's ecosystem without any risky downloads, sketchy websites, or account problems. If you want the easiest and most secure way to try the game, this is the method to follow. And if this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple gaming tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, the most important thing to understand is that you need an active Game Pass Ultimate subscription. Game Pass Ultimate is the subscription that unlocks access to a huge library of games, and in this case, it's the key that lets you play Forza Horizon 6 through the Xbox app. So before anything else, make sure your subscription is active. If you don't already have one, go to the official Xbox or Microsoft website and sign in with the account you want to use for gaming. From there, look for Game Pass Ultimate and choose the plan that works for you. Once your subscription is active, the next step is to open the Xbox app on your PC. If you don't have it installed yet, download it from the official Microsoft Store or Xbox website. After the app opens, sign in with the same Microsoft account that has Game Pass Ultimate attached to it. This part is important because the subscription has to match the account you use in the app. Once you're signed in, use the search bar inside the Xbox app and search for Forza Horizon 6. If the game is included in your Game Pass library, you should see it appear in the results. When you find it, open the game page and look for the play or install option. Depending on how the game is offered, you may be able to stream it or install it directly through the app. If it's available to play through Game Pass, simply follow the on-screen prompts and let the Xbox app handle the setup. If an installation is required, click Install, choose your storage location, and wait for the download to finish. Once the game is installed or ready to launch, open it from the Xbox app and sign in if prompted. At that point, you're ready to start playing Forza Horizon 6 legally and safely through your Game Pass Ultimate subscription. This method is great because you're not downloading anything unofficial and you're using the official Microsoft platform designed for exactly this kind of access. It also makes it easy to manage your games in one place, keep everything updated, and avoid the risks that come with unofficial game files or fake free download sites. If you want to keep your setup clean and secure, always make sure you're using the official Xbox app, the official Microsoft account, and the official Game Pass subscription. That's the safest way to get access. So to quickly recap, the process is simple. Get Game Pass Ultimate, open the Xbox app, sign in with the same account, search for Forza Horizon 6, and launch it from there. That's the legal and safest way to play for free through the subscription model. If this tutorial helped, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy gaming guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.